I'm going to show you an absolutely insane e-commerce creative agent. What does that actually mean? Well, imagine we are on Amazon. I'm going to copy the URL here. We're going to come over into our website, Bandy AI, and as always, I'll have a link in the description below. We can see here we are on the link and we can hit submit. And we are going to have to log in. And as soon as we hit submit, you can see it has started to work. It says it's going to create a UGC ad for our Nintendo Switch Mario Kart bundle. Hey, Nintendo, I'm just trying this out. Please don't sue me.
You going to court tomorrow?
All right, so now over here, we can see on the right, it's actually pulled out the brand title from the Amazon link that we fed it, and we can actually see an entire product description. If we scroll down here, we can actually see different photos that it pulled out for product assets. So we can actually use all of these product photos right here, and we can just talk to it and say, hey, what's next? We can adjust the product information. We can change whatever we want here. I'm just going to make this one really simple. We're going to hit confirm and continue. We're going to make our first ad as easy as possible. So you can see here, it's confirmed the product information. It's going to update the meta tag and proceed to generate a video script for us. And when it generates a video script for us, it's not going to generate like one video script. If you use AI, and if you're anything like me, I generally tell it, hey, can you generate me like 4 different ideas or 5 different ideas, so on and so forth. And this is exactly what Bandy AI is going to do. It is pretty smart. So it's going to generate a whole bunch of different scripts that we can use, and we're going to be able to pick one of those 4 scripts. So we can actually see it here. We have the Gen Z approach, like, hey gamers, just leveled up my weekends with this Nintendo Switch 2 Mario Kart World Bundle. And it tells you everything about it. We can also do like something more emotional, like, hey, it's the small things that bring us the most joy, something more motivational, 3 reasons why, or we can do like discovery. All right, so it gave us 5 different options, and let's just go kind of with the Gen Z version. So can you go with version 1? And you're going to see here, agent mode is enabled, and it is going to start generating the video for us. It is really cool because it's not going to actually generate the full published video for us. And I know what you're thinking, hey, why do we not want the full published version? Instead, it's going to generate a bunch of different sample versions, and then we can pick the best sample we want, and then it's going to generate the full-blown version based off whatever we choose. So you can see here on the right, it is loading, and now we have these little sample videos that we can pick from. So I'm just going to show you a couple of them here, and then I'm going to select one.
Do not use this product if you want to keep your gaming experience the same old way. That's why the Nintendo Switch 2 plus Mario Kart World Bundle is the secret weapon to transforming your multiplayer experience into non-stop excitement.
So we're going to pick the one we want. I'm just going to select this one here, and then we can hit, if I move myself out of the way, we can actually hit generate video, and you can see exactly how many credits it's going to take. So it generated all the preview for us, and now we can actually start making our video itself. I want to scroll back up for a second. I want to just show you something. So with product assets, it actually accepts up to 20 different assets, and I could have added my own. I could have uploaded whatever I wanted as well to make our ad be whatever we want it to be. And keep in mind, this is just all off a single Amazon link, and we can always go back, we can hit the preview videos, we can see them all, and we can see it is being generated right now by Bandy AI. And now we can see our final version here that looks like this.
Do you want to know what happens if you upgrade your setup for next level multiplayer fun? The Nintendo Switch 2 plus Mario Kart World Bundle is the secret weapon to transforming your multiplayer experience into non-stop excitement. This thing's got a crazy sharp 7.9 screen, and this game is all about the speed. 24 players online. Plus, those Joy-Con 2 controllers, magnetic and versatile, so innovative. If you want to race in style and enhance your gaming sesh, you've got to check this out. Experience the hype today and find your crew. The fun's all here.
I just want to show you it does work with eBay as well. So we have this link here, which is like this Sony wireless portable Bluetooth speaker, karaoke speaker. If we come back to Bandy AI, you can see we put in the eBay link and it was able to pull all the information for our speaker. So we can use that. Imagine you are a Shopify seller and you want to sell shampoo bars. You can see here the still images that they did aren't the greatest, but they also have like these little videos up here. And if you ever wondered how they make these videos like this, we can copy the Shopify link, come back into Bandy AI, put it in, and then we can pull all the information. So you can see we have our shampoo bar. We can go through, adjust the product description. Here's what is important. So not all of these photos that it pulled from the website actually apply to the product. So we might want to like uncheck the ones that we don't want to actually include. So we want to keep it to just our soap bar, and we want to use that. So anyway, you can kind of go through, you can do the same exact thing. You can hit confirm, continue, and you can start making your ad. And that is only one way to make ads on Bandy AI. There is another way, which is extremely powerful and very easy to use. If we come back to the website here, we can hit the home button, and in the dropdown, we can go to product image set. So now we can actually upload a photo. So we have this photo here of AI Dana, and we can just enter something really simple like expand model poses, and then we can hit go. So what's going to happen is it's going to take our photo here. It's going to create different product images. Imagine we're trying to sell the dress and we want our model to demonstrate and show off the dress in different poses. Well, we can do that all in one single prompt. The product image set tool is really cool because if you have an existing product with someone using it, you have a photo of it, you can expand it, or you can say, hey, can you do this to it? And it's able to take your one photo and make an entire set of images that you can use to sell your product. And since it's an AI agent, not just like a large language model, it's really smart. So it's going to create the entire workflow for you all in one click. It's able to analyze the product, the key features, the target audience, so on and so forth, and tailor the images to whatever you need. And then to make it even more powerful, if you said, hey, I want to post this on Amazon, I want to post this on eBay, Walmart, whatever you want to post it on, Walmart does have the ability to post your products on there now, you can actually create images tailored to those platforms. So you can see here what it wants to do. We have like our product overview, and it tells us about the product and the dress design and the color, material, accessories, and all the lighting, poses, and everything it wants to do. It has an entire plan of all the different types of photos we are going to generate. So just in like one click, we now have a batch generation with a complete set of photos that are going to be made for us. And just like that, you can see the entire image set that was created of AI Dana showing off this dress. So this is just my wife showing off her red dress that was totally real, not AI generated. But if I want to sell this dress, I actually have an entire image set now of her wearing it, and I can actually like use these to create content. I can post it on my website. I can put it on my Shopify store, on Etsy, wherever I want to sell this dress, Walmart, Amazon, so on and so forth. You can see it is all here, ready to go, and it's very consistent. She looks good. It's a really cool tool. We can even go like this. We can say, oh, hey, let's see the asset gallery, and that's pretty cool.
I forgot. There is one more thing I forgot to tell you about. This is really important.
If we're on the home page and then we're on the left, we can go to tools, and there are a whole bunch of different tools we can try. So you can see like clothing, accessories, we can swap our models, we can do an entire AI product video. So maybe we want to do a video, and you can see we can add a video style, and we can see like different options here. So we can see like a jumpsuit motion, and maybe that's the style we want. So let's pick this one here, and now we can come back and we can add a product image. If we click that, it's going to allow us to upload a photo, and we're going to upload the photo of AI Dana again. And now we can actually say, okay, we want one video. It's gonna be 5 seconds long. We can say Pro, Standard. It determines how many credits we're going to use. We're going to hit Pro, and we're going to hit Create. So it's going to use AI Dana with the action that we just showed you, and it's going to create an entire product video for us. So imagine we have our person holding a product or doing something. In this case, she's showing off the dress. She's just kind of walking with it. We're able to create a product video all on Bandy AI in just a couple of clicks. And now we can see our video of AI Dana walking forward. It's the same exact action that we just saw, and our product video looks really good. So if we want to show off our dress here, we can totally use this little video. Maybe we want to go to try on accessories, and we can accessorize our model. So maybe we want her to wear this purse, or put on these shoes, or have this necklace, or this hat. Let's try the hat, because I feel like that's probably the most obvious. And we can select our model again. We can see different models of like things that are recommended, or we can upload our own model. This time we're going to upload just a photo of our head. We're going to hit create, and let's see what it's able to do. And this isn't easy because I gave it the photo where it's like cut off, and even used the one it suggested where the lady had a hat on already. And the first couple are done. Hell, they're all done. Okay. So you can actually see here AI Dana wearing this product hat. Again, it is such a cool tool because we can literally take this and then we can say, hey, we want to download this and then we want to turn this into an actual video and then we can use it. Or maybe we want to download this and then generate more photos of it, like an entire photo shoot that we want to put to sell this hat. So in the beginning of the video, I said it's an e-commerce creative agent, and it really is. So if you want to do anything with e-commerce and you want to create any type of like product ad or person holding a product or video or an entire image set of a person holding a product, you can literally do all of that in one click. It's like customized and made for e-commerce. So if you want to do any type of drop shipping or just sell a product or just even crop an image or uncrop or remove watermarks, it can do so much in one single tool. It's pretty cool. I just really love the fact that I can enter in a URL and create an entire product video that looks pretty good. And there are so many options. So we can say, hey, what platform do we want it to be on? Do we want it Facebook, Instagram? What are we targeting? What is our aspect ratio? How long do we want it to be? What language are we looking for? What avatar do we want it to use? Bandy AI is a really powerful tool. As always, I have a link in the description below if you want to check it out. As always, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this tool. I try to just go through random tools like every day, multiple of them. I always try to pick out the best ones that could be useful to you. So I try to find out like the really fun coding ones or the fun ones that are art-based or the ones for business-based people like e-commerce, trying to create assets. I think this one is really powerful for that. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. As always, don't forget to subscribe. I cover AI on a daily basis, trying to bring you all these really cool, fun tools. Is this a good one? Comment. Also, like the video, tells our algorithm, hey, I like this video, want to see more of it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow with another AI video.
You're meant to be.